Welcome to Samuel Academy channel. My name is Samuel. This video is about mapping of senior schools in Sigor Constituency in West Pokot County. The reason for the video is to create awareness of existing schools in the constituency for the benefit of students, parents and teachers when selecting schools for senior secondary education. I did the mapping of the schools in the video by using GIS. GIS in full is Geographic Information Systems. It helps us to understand patterns, relationships, and geographic context. In this video, I will explore the map of the constituency and show where the schools are found. After that, I will explain how a wet bulb hygrometer works. This is a weather instrument that is found in a weather station and is used for measuring relative humidity. Okay, in the video, we have the map of Sigor Constituency, which shows schools where they are found. So I want to explore this map and determine, or rather find, where the schools are found. When I look at that map, most of the areas are covered by forests. So for that reason, we have few schools in that constituency. Starting from the south, we have the following schools. When I zoom in around this area, I'm able to come across Cheptulel Secondary School, as well as Liter Girls Secondary School. When I move towards the northwest, I come across Tamkal Mixed Secondary School around here. Then we have Chester Girls Secondary School. And to the northwest of that school, we have two schools here. One is called Weiwei Boys Secondary School. The other one is Father Leo Staples Girls Secondary School. Those are the schools we have in that constituency. Now I want to talk about the wet bulb hygrometer. Before that, I want to urge you, dear viewer, to subscribe to Samuel Academy in order to be able to view more videos. This is how a wet bulb hygrometer looks like. It has two thermometers, the dry bulb thermometer and the wet bulb thermometer. The two thermometers are ordinary mercury in glass thermometers. The difference between the two is that at the bulb of the wet bulb, we wrap a muslin cloth with a wick that is immersed in distilled water. In this container, there is water here. So the water rises by capillarity along the wick and evaporates. That evaporation causes cooling around the wet bulb, such that when you take a reading, the reading on the wet bulb is usually lower than the reading on the dry bulb. Like in this case, the wet bulb reading is about 19 degrees Celsius here, and the dry bulb reading is around 26.5 degrees Celsius. So there is a difference. That difference is called the wet bulb depression. It is what we use to calculate relative humidity by using a slide rule or by checking from tables. So in summary, a wet bulb hygrometer is a weather instrument that is used to measure relative humidity. It has two thermometers, the dry bulb and wet bulb. So the temperature reading from the dry bulb and the wet bulb, we find their difference. That difference, which is called the wet bulb depression, is what we use to calculate humidity by using a slide rule or by reading from a table, a psychrometric table. Alright, dear viewer, I want to urge you to share this video widely, because there are some students who come from schools that are in very remote areas and they have no access to a weather station. But in this channel, they can view these videos and find that information. And also remember to subscribe to Samuel Academy in order to promote this project and also to be able to view more videos. Thank you so much.